Good morning, traders, and this is your Aussie day trade setup for today. So we did get a bit of an inside bar on the daily yesterday, and as I said, this looked like an exhaustion bar, and I have a feeling that's what's going to play out. As we are sitting right now, 10 cent is down 2.5%. Asian markets are down for some reason. There's no real reason for it. So the only thing I can think of is obviously there's a flu scare, there's holiday coming up. So there's probably a whole lot of little odds and ends which are affecting the market. Could also be a case of just some serious profit taking before the Asian holidays. So if we start drilling down through the time frames, go to the 3 hour. So we had a bit of a flag forming yesterday, which is this one here. But I think that's not going to materialize. I think what's really going to materialize is a flat top or flat bottom triangle, which is going to give us a pretty serious pullback. There's my next swing high, which makes sense. And then we also have a gap below as well. Okay, so I think today, by the looks of things at the moment, provided the markets stay like they are, we're looking at a potential short day. I don't think it's going to be a major trend reversal or even a trend reversal. I think this is really just going to be a pullback. There are a couple of levels where you start looking at the hour where you can see things coming back, to. So we have a level here at 52,775. Obviously we have this level here, which is on the 3 hour, which is 52,540. And then ultimately we have 52,418. So those are the areas where I would expect the pullback to happen to. And as soon as we start getting some stability at one of those levels, and for me, stability is going to be a case of hit the level like this, but I want to see us really pull back and then give us the opportunity to get in. Okay, so another example here, double bottom, break there, we're in, stop below the sub bottom. Okay, so that's the kind of structure that we're looking for at the moment. I don't think anything's changed on the Ichimoku. So you can see the 12-minute was pretty much all over the place as expected yesterday. We have gone bearish. The half hour is not bearish, it's bullish, but it is coming together here. And look at the size of the cloud here. So, even if I take the bottom of the cloud, we'll look where that comes. And you can see in between Keys and Tekinson, that is a range environment. You can see we also have Kijinson here at this level in the half hour. And we also, on the 4 hour, it lines up pretty much with this swing high. Okay, so this is kind of the area that I would expect us to get some profit taking in, 52529. That's an area that I would be interested in for a long. But what I'm looking for is some structure. Okay, trend is still bullish, but that's the last breakout on the daily as well. So I would expect some kind of a pullback into this area. And then I'm looking for structure. As soon as we have structure, it is the opportunity to be long again. Okay, so that's kind of it for me. The only thing that I can advise you this morning, let's just get to the 1 hour, is you're probably going to find a gap down. So let's just put this level in so we know what we're talking about. There's a level, and back to the hour. You're probably going to find we have a pretty serious gap down, especially with 10 cent down 2.5%. And I think Hang Seng is down 1.5% at the moment. So the futures market, I think Europe is going to open with a bit of a gap down, and then we're going to trigger a few stops, rally, well, not rally, but fall quite quickly, find some support, and then the structure should start building, ready for the move to the upside. Okay, so I'm not really keen to chase the shorts because you probably find you have a gap well, a 300-point gap come pretty close to this level. And then you've got all these other levels here where I would expect some profit taking to happen from anybody that was short from yesterday. Okay, so for me, I'm looking for pullbacks, still looking for longs, just looking for a decent pullback, and that's going to offer some value which will get me into the market. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.